Aiden has his like 20th lunch, dinner, whatever you want to call it.
20th?
Dinner since 5 o'clock in the evening. And now he's getting burped. A little monkey. My little monkey. He really enjoys the burping part.
Someone asked on the radio show if he was worried what this would do to his Hall of Fame chances. Clemens said he didn't play the game to go to the Hall of Fame. Whether or not
I think he forgets he's supposed to burp.
Questions surrounding the 7-time Cy Young winner. If he used matters to help voters, if he lied, that's a matter of breaking the law. And as George Smith found out, perhaps the most disappointing part in all of this, the pitcher is in a position he could have avoided.
Oh, superstar. Key, any words there? Wording key? Wording key?
मुझको यारो माफ करना मैं नशे में हूँ.
मुझको यारो माफ करना मैं नशे में हूँ. Yeah, absolutely. That's how he's feeling, right?
Yeah, that's what I am.
And then he could just sort of walk away from that. Representative Cummings called Clemens' indictment a sad day.
Hey, little Aiden.
Young people look up to athletes.
Kimone high.
Everyone needs to take a deep breath.
Kimone high.
His day in court.
Hello, burping hello.
Somebody like Elijah Clemens. I gotta say, he had
Let daddy do it for you. The daddy knows best. Okay. Here. You hold this, I'll hold that.